Hi, and welcome to the Colonial America LibGuide. This is a LibGuide intended for college-level students who need to research about the history of colonial America, or maybe just want to know a little bit more. And I'm going to show you around so you can use it to its full potential. Starting in the upper left-hand corner, we have two history databases. These are both composed of primary sources that you can search the full text to find the sources that best suit your needs. Below this, we have a section on general databases. Many of these you may already be familiar and are multidisciplinary, but you will find a large number of history essays that other scholars have written. Below that, we have a section on vocabulary, which includes a non-academic dictionary that others have created. And while it's a non-academic source, it may come in handy as you look through primary source documents, as you will likely encounter words that you've never seen before. Coming back up to the top, we have a section on maps, which add visual context to history. This includes a link to the Library of Congress's collection of maps on colonial America. Below this, we have a section of important people, which includes two encyclopedias focused specifically on people. These have short explanations about why the people are important and include some pictures. This would be a good place to start if you don't know what topic you want to research or just want to know more about certain people. Coming back up to the top, we have print resources, which include 3 books. 2 of these are encyclopedias, and the other is a collection of essays relating to the history of North America. This is another great place to start if you don't know what topic you want to research, or you know what topic but need to know more before you dive into the databases. And below this section, the last section we have, is web resources. This includes a directory of websites, which is a website that consists of links to other websites relating to colonial history. And this would be another good place to start if you don't know what topic you want to research. This section also includes a collection from the Library of Congress relating to business history in colonial America, and a collection of primary sources that relate to law history. I hope now that you're able to use this LibGuide to its full advantage.